Amy, I only have 10 minutes a day for English. Is that even enough to make real progress?
Alex, 10 minutes is actually plenty if you use those minutes the right way. Today, I'm giving you the exact routine.
Okay, I'm ready. 10 minutes. Let's not waste a single one.
Perfect attitude. This routine has 3 simple parts, and each one takes just a few minutes. Listen, speak, review. That's it.
Okay, break it down. What's minute 1?
Minutes 1 through 4, listen to something short in English. A mini podcast episode, a short video, even a song. Just let it play. Don't pause. Don't stress about understanding everything.
Wait, only 4 minutes? That feels almost too short to matter.
It's actually the perfect length, short enough that you stay focused the whole time instead of zoning out halfway through a 30-minute episode.
Oh, so focused 4 minutes beats distracted 30 minutes.
Every single time, Alex. Quality attention matters way more than quantity of time.
Okay, what's next?
Minutes 5 through 7, speak out loud for 3 minutes. Talk about your day. Describe what you're doing right now, or repeat a sentence you just heard in the listening part.
Wait, what if I don't have anyone to talk to?
You don't need anyone. Talk to yourself, out loud, in your room, in the shower, wherever. The goal is simply moving your mouth and forming real English sentences out loud, not just in your head.
Oh, so even talking to my walls counts as practice.
Absolutely counts. Your walls are excellent listeners and they never judge your grammar.
Okay, I feel better about this already. What's the last part?
Minutes 8 through 10, review 3 words or phrases, just 3. Write them down or say them out loud one more time, and try using each one in a simple sentence.
Only 3? That feels almost too easy.
That's exactly the point, Alex. 3 words done consistently every day add up to over 1,000 words in a year. Small and steady always beats big and occasional.
Wait, 1,000 words in a year just from 3 a day?
Just from 3 a day. It's like saving a small coin every single day. It feels tiny in the moment, but the jar fills up faster than people expect.
Okay, I love that. So to recap, 4 minutes listening, 3 minutes speaking, 3 minutes reviewing?
Exactly. Listen, speak, review. 10 minutes every single day.
What if I only have time for one part on a super busy day?
Great question. Something is always better than nothing. Even one part, just the 4 minutes of listening, keeps your streak and your progress alive.
Oh, that's such a relief. I always feel like it's all or nothing with these things.
It never has to be, Alex. Progress isn't about perfect days. It's about showing up, even a little, again and again.
Can I share a quick story? This actually reminds me of my coworker, Priya.
Please, go ahead.
So Priya always said she had 0 time for English, between work and her family. But she started doing exactly this routine, 10 minutes right after her morning coffee.
Oh, I love that she attached it to something she already does.
Exactly. And she told me after about 3 months, she could suddenly join conversations at work that she used to just quietly sit through.
That's such a perfect example, Alex. Priya didn't need hours, she needed consistency. 10 focused minutes, repeated daily, quietly built real fluency behind the scenes.
That's honestly so encouraging. I always thought I needed at least an hour to see real results.
So many learners believe that, and it actually holds them back because an hour feels heavy, and heavy habits get skipped. 10 minutes feels light, and light habits actually get repeated.
So the secret isn't finding more time, it's using 10 minutes really well.
Exactly, Alex. You already have 10 minutes somewhere in your day. We're just filling it with the right things.
One more question. Does it matter when I do this routine, morning versus night?
Honestly, whatever time you'll actually stick to is the best time. Some people love mornings. It wakes up their brain. Others prefer right before bed since it's calm and quiet. There's no single perfect time, just a consistent one.
Oh, that's good to know. I was worried I was doing it wrong by practicing at night.
Not wrong at all. The best routine is always the one you'll actually keep doing, not the one that looks perfect on paper.
Okay, what if I get bored doing the same 3 steps every single day? Won't it get repetitive?
Great question. The structure stays the same. Listen, speak, review. But the content changes every day. New podcast episode, new topic to talk about, new 3 words. Same skeleton, fresh content. So it never actually feels stale.
Oh, so it's like eating breakfast every morning. Same basic routine, but the actual meal can change.
I love that comparison. Exactly like that. The structure gives you consistency, and the changing content keeps it interesting.
Okay, let's do a super quick recap.
Minutes 1 to 4, listen to something short. Minutes 5 to 7, speak out loud, even to yourself. Minutes 8 to 10, review just 3 words or phrases.
Listen, speak, review. 10 minutes every day.
That's the whole routine, Alex. Simple, small, and honestly, actually doable.
Okay, everyone, here's today's challenge. Try this exact routine today, right now if you can. Just 10 minutes, listen, speak, review.
And tell us in the comments how it felt. We would love to hear from you.
Subscribe for more simple English tips every single day.
See you in the next episode. Bye.